Hello, friends. Hope you're well. And today I'm back with the not the idea actually, but today I want to talk about gardening and the passion for gardening. Gardening is a popular hobby and passion for many people. If you have a gardener in your life, you may want to consider getting them a gift that can help enhance their gardening experiences, from functional tools to decorative accessories. There are plenty of miscellaneous garden decor ideas that can make great gifts for gardeners. You can give any kind of scrap item that you're not using in your homes. You can use them in your garden to replace with the things you have to buy from outside. So, garden tools are the most important thing in gardening. So, every gardener needs a set of reliable tools to make their job easier. Consider getting them a high quality set of gardening tools such as a trowel, pruning shears, or a watering can. Then, gardening gloves. Protecting your hands is important when working in the garden. A sturdy pair of gardening gloves can be a practical and useful gift for a gardener. Then, gardening books and magazines. Gardeners are always looking for new ideas, inspiration. As you people saw videos to get more ideas about gardening. So, gardening books and magazines are also very useful. Subscription to gardening magazine or gardening book can provide them with a plenty of tips and tricks to enhance their gardening skills. Then, garden planters or plant markers. Keeping track of the different plants in a garden can be challenging. Plant markers can help keep everything organized and labeled while also adding a decorative touch to the garden. Garden art. Some add some personality and charm to a garden with garden art such as sculptures, wind chimes, or garden stakes. These items can be functional or purely decorative, but they can all add a touch of MC to any garden. Then bird baths can be a great addition to any garden, providing a source of water for birds while also adding an elegant and serene touch to the space. And garden statues are very unique piece in your garden. Garden statues can add a classical touch to any garden, and they come to any different style or designs, from Greek goddesses to cherubs, or there are garden statues out there for every garden states. So, in conclusion, there are many miscellaneous garden decor ideas that can make great crafts for gardeners. From practical tools to decorative accessories, there are plenty of options to choose from to help enhance a garden experience. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like it. And if you like our videos, subscribe our channel